Just doing her thing, you know. I'm a high roller.
About it, when you get finished, I'll be ready.
You'll be ready? Okay.
She's been doing that for an hour already. Her arms must be about shot.
This thing rolls mighty easily.
Noodle arm.
All righty.
So does the stick.
If you're ready.
Ready?
I think so.
Okay.
Okay, because I think this guy's in good shape.
Let's stop that.
Just like that. There you go.
And another one. And about this one. This one's already almost ready to flip.
Okay, well, maybe I'll be about timed up with you guys then.
Maybe a bit early.
We can flip it again though.
Yeah. Wait, flip it again?
Oh no, we can flip it again.